Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. My name's Tanner Eskew, and today is not a work day. Today's a family day. We have Thursday, Friday, and Saturday left. We leave on Sunday, and so I'm going to spend the rest of my time with my family. We're going to go to the rivers, the waterfalls, beaches, whatever else fun we can find, we're going to do it. So right now, it's early.
He said no.
No. Right now it's pretty early, and we're gonna go run up to the store real quick and grab some eggs because we're all out of eggs, and somebody's making me pancakes this morning. So I've got my seatbelt on. Let's go do that. I'll catch up with you guys when the pancakes are done. Thanks for cooking breakfast. You gotta eat your breakfast, boy. Thanks for cooking, baby. Before we head out for the day, I want to make my son some noodles and some tofu because he's just so picky about what he eats, and he doesn't like to eat at the restaurants. So take this to go, and he can eat this because I know he'll eat this. And yeah, and we're gonna go hit up some Waterfall. I'll let you know which one in a little while when we get there. You got a farm over here or? Good there. Is that the natural way, babe?
Fucking going to town, man.
Yeah, it is.
He's so fucking intrigued right now.
That's
where water comes from.
That's our good water, huh? Yeah.
It doesn't just come out of the faucet, it comes out of the ground.
Crazy. Picked my brother up. We came down to the spring to get water. You getting some water, bro?
Getting some water.
So we got several gallons to fill up. Getting some water to go. Where are we headed today, bro?
What?
Where are we headed today?
We're headed to the Salto out in Maricao.
Maricao.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
We're gonna...
How can I follow you guys?
Oh, Tanner Eskew.
And Hayden Eskew.
So we're headed down to the waterfall at Maricao, and then we're gonna go grab some lunch and go to the beach. So we'll see you guys down at the waterfall.
Just made it out here to Maricao. We're at Salto. Great. That's how you say it. Salty great. Salty great. That's where we are, boys. Girls. Sun's out here walking barefoot. We're We're hiking up to the waterfall right now. I can't wait to show you guys. It's gonna be awesome. The sun's out. It's a beautiful day. We're having fun. Let's get the waterfall. Let's get the waterfall. We're almost there. Waterfall.
Nice. Beautiful.
No, but we're in
Beautiful, bro.
Definitely looks like a path.
I've never been there before.
I haven't either.
What? Who's that?
My
Dad?
dad.
Hello. Whoa! Careful, Boogie. Uh-oh.
Oh, there is a little trail right here. It probably goes up around. You want to walk out of the river?
Turn around right there. Like peeky peek that way. We had no idea this crazy waterfall was right here. You know, like the rain was coming and then turn around. We were right here. That's crazy. Wow. Bro. That's fucking awesome! All right, y'all. We made it to the salty crate. It's freaking beautiful out here. What'd you think about the walk?
It actually really wasn't that bad.
Not terrible. It's
If our 2-year-old can do it.
yeah, if our 2-year-old can do it, any 2-year-old can do it. So, look at this. This is epic, guys. It's beautiful. Nice pool to swim in. Amazing. We're gonna hang out here for a couple hours. We're gonna enjoy ourselves, and then we're gonna go get some food. So stay tuned. Vlog's not over yet. Enjoy this time lapse of us at Salto Crate. Pump, bro. Forrest loves it. Got that on camera, bro.
Yeah, you did! Oh, it's so cold!
That's cold, huh? You're trying to get in, huh? You were going for a big swim. Are you drinking that water? Yummy, huh? Fresh. My wife is currently on an adventure somewhere over there by herself. I don't see her anymore. She gone. Go, babe. Go. You got it. You're up, bro. Yeah. Feel good, huh? Oh, you're a swimmer, bro.
Not registered as toxic, but not ready to be edible either.
Oh, they got that full.
I should go up there. I don't want to take my phone up there. I want to know if those mushrooms up there.
All right, we're wrapping up our time here at the waterfall. It's freaking awesome here. The water feels so good. It's nice and cold. Waterfall's beautiful. Awesome little beach to hang out on. Awesome. But we'll be back. We'll be back someday. Salty crate.
Salty crate. Later.
Later. Did you have fun at the waterfall, love? You pooped now, huh? You're gonna have a good nap. Cheers.
Apple juice.
What's that?
Juice boxes saved
Can I
my
have
life.
Alright, so we made it to Aguada. We're here at Life Garden Cafe. I ordered a couple pizzas. My wife has some rice and beans and lasagna, and my son over here, he's eating his special pasta and tofu that I made him this morning that you guys saw. And I don't know where we're gonna go from here. Me and my brother were on a mission for something special, so we're on a mission. That's all I have to say about that. And we might go to the beach, and then we're headed back up to the farm because we're live streaming tonight. And this video is going to be posted way after the live stream. But if you missed the live stream, go back and check it out. But yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys on the beach.
Is that rain up there on the ocean?
Mm-hmm. Alright, y'all. After we went on a special mission, we went to Mr. Special and we got yuca, frozen yuca for tomorrow. Tomorrow, everybody is supposed to be coming over here. We're gonna make yuca pizzas, camp on the farm, have a bonfire, and have a good time. So, now we're back at Bro's house, we're back at the farm, and I'm gonna take you guys on a farm tour. I'm gonna post it as a separate video, but if you're watching right now, the farm tour is probably already live. It'll be more like a farm update. We'll call it a part 3 farm update. And if you watch the first 2 farm tours, or farm tour part 1 and part 2, I should say, then you'll see like the subtle changes. So if you didn't, I'll try to link that up right here, and you can go watch farm tour part 1 and part 2, and then watch part 3 update, so you can know exactly what's going on and how we got to where we are. So, what's up, bro?
Looking the oil off my pan.
How's your snack?
Good.
Yeah, it was. All right, let's go do the farm tour. I'm gonna show you guys the flowers now that it's raining. These are blooming, cat whiskers and some other flowers here that will bloom. More flowers. Rambutan is budding. Oh, let's see if we can get a... Yeah. So this is the one that looked like it was dying in the last video. It's raining again. We have buds, and rock formations are looking nice. More flowers over here. More rocks. Mini parchas. These are really good. Wish there was a ripe one. Uh-oh. Again, we got Balimbi, black sapote. Opened up the path all the way through to the public road that comes down, and as you can see right now, we have a little bit of a problem. It's our neighbors have a bunch of trash here, They have all this stuff, bird cages. I don't know if they have birds in them or not. I think they do. See something moving. So anyway, this is a public road that comes through here. It hugs the hillside here, and it goes straight across where that big clump of grass is. So he's gonna have to move his stuff. But I opened all this up because it was big tall grass, like freaking 15-20 foot grass through here, and now it's all cleared. So let's walk down the driveway as if we were driving in. You got this all freaking mulched, cleared and mulched. Looks so sick down here. Got this whole edge here. Not the whole edge, but got a lot of the edge looking good. So this guy doesn't come over here and spray glyphosate on it. But this road right here, this keeps going into our farm, and actually goes down to a little creek that we have. So these are the 2 guava trees. They're freaking doing excellent. They have just exploded with growth since we've cleaned them up. So the guy with the backhoe, he was supposed to come through and clean this whole edge up right here. We're gonna take this whole edge back. There's a little landslide right here. We're gonna get rid of this guayabo trees. They're just weed trees basically. I would like to keep the ferns, but I don't know if he would have been able to work around them or not, because I wanted this kind of, you know, tapered off or sloped well. But we came through here, just weeded everything back down to bare. No, not really. As best as we could. There's still a little bit of work to do up here. This is the big change. There was massive giant clumps of grass right here, and like the ones back there. So we clean cut all this, and we're gonna keep working that way. We have a lot more flat space that way. This is some kind of weed tree. Hayden's house is just to the left of this tree going up right there, so just to give y'all a reference point. Alright y'all, that's the end of part 3 farm tour update. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Lots of things are changing around here. Things are looking really well. We have some new equipment, and we're freaking chewing through this stuff. So things are going to change really fast around here, guys. I can't wait to share with you. Hope you...
Make it a little bit better.
There we go. Alright y'all, we just got back to our Airbnb. I'm gonna end today's video right here. Son just went to bed. Me and my brother are gonna go do a live stream for about an hour, and I'm gonna come home and go to sleep. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you hated it, give me a big thumbs down. I don't give a damn. Leave me a comment and let me know what you're thinking, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.